Face masks will be distributed to Malaysians. Meanwhile, health experts there are also calling for an extension of the MCO, the Movement Control Order, for at least another 2 weeks, or until the daily cases drop below 50. That report and more from our EBC correspondent, Ruby TINAWIN. Ruby?
Hi. Good afternoon, Alma.
Good afternoon, Ruby.
I'm here to give you some updates of what's going on in Malaysia right now. So to start, as of yesterday, we have 4,119 confirmed COVID-19 cases, 65 deaths, 1,487 recovered, 2,567 are still under treatment. 76 of them are in ICU, while 45 on ventilator. So the government will begin distributing millions of face masks over the next few days. This is to help guard against COVID-19 virus. However, the distribution will be limited to 4 units for each household. So how are they going to do this? The Civil Defense Force are currently distributing about 24.6 million masks to National Security Council offices at state levels. Then it will be sent to Disaster Management Committee at the district level, and then only then will be distributed to the people. Now, as per the Health Ministry's recommendations here, only those with COVID-19 symptoms should be wearing masks. That was the message now from the Health Ministry. Now, the said mask will also be flown in other parts of Malaysia by the Royal Malaysian Air Force, and that is in Sabah, in Sarawak, and Labuan tomorrow. Now, because the current lockdown is supposed to be lifted on April 14, a group of medical professionals led by the Academy of Medicine Malaysia urged the government to extend the movement control order beyond phase 2. The reason being is this. As you know, the next big event here in Malaysia, a Muslim country, is Hari Raya, and that's expected to fall on May 24th. And also that will be followed by Hari Gawai and the Harvest Festival. And because of this, this group of people warned the mass exodus of people during the Hari Raya will pose a greater risk of spreading the virus beyond control, and that it was too soon to resume a state of normalcy with no cure or vaccine available as yet. So they said the spreading of the virus will be of great risk, because particularly to the elderly, in the case of balik kampung, or what they call, everyone return to their village. When that happens, because people tend to meet in R&R stations, they tend to meet in restaurants and all that. So the social distancing, which is not, if not maintained, might actually create, a bigger impact. Thus, an outbreak will also will continue. Now, Malaysia is still seeing a rise in positive cases on a daily basis, and to date, as I mentioned earlier, there have been 4,119 positive COVID-19 cases. Now, most of the death is by the elderly with a history of medical problems. So they are concerned that a premature withdrawal or excessive relaxation of the restriction will potentially undo all the good that has been achieved by staying home these past 4 weeks. Now, the war against COVID-19 is far from over. That's what the people are thinking. Many sacrifices have and will continue to be made this year. Now, the Academy of Medicine of Malaysia, embracing 11 colleges and 15 chapters, is a registered body representing all the medical specialists in the country. There was a survey done by the Malaysian National News Agency, Bernama, which revealed that a large number of people who responded to the survey believe that an extension of the current movement order is necessary to contain COVID-19. So the survey, which ran across Bernama's social media platforms for 2 days, which started April 7, revealed that majority of respondents strongly agreed that the MCO should be extended beyond April 14. So as of today, there's about 26,300 votes, with 83% of respondents rooting for an extension. And while the lockdown is on, so with all the online scams, so the Bukid Aman Internal Security and Public Order Department Director Akril Sani Abdullah Sani said that all parties, including government agencies, must exercise caution when using free online video conferencing applications. He confirmed that the police had received a reminder letter concerning cyber threats. So he was commenting on a viral message on possible cyber attacks on government agencies that are currently carrying out tasks online due to the implementation of the movement control order. So he also confirmed that the police did not use the Zoom app for online video conferencing. As we know, Zoom is creating a news all over, stating the possible threat that it caused all its users. So now he advised the public to be careful about making online transactions, reminding people not to give any personal information to third parties to avoid being victims of fraud. If you can recall, way back 1st of April, the Selangor Menteri Besar Datuk Seri Amiruddin Shari has announced that the Ramadan bazaars in relation to the upcoming Ramadan will be cancelled throughout the state of Selangor and perhaps in the entire country because of COVID-19 pandemic. Now, in the state of Selangor, the Menteri Besar has announced, the Selangor state government announced that an online platform called the E-Bazaar Ramadan Selangor Grab will take the place of the traditional bazaars held during the annual Muslim fasting month. So in a statement today, the Menteri Besar said he received many complaints from traders after he made that announcement last 1st of April. So the state government has taken the initiative to build a new entrepreneur ecosystem with delivery company Grab Malaysia. So the digital platform, which is called E-Bazaar Ramadan Selangor Grab, will enable traders to generate income while giving the people of Selangor to enjoy delicacies to break their fast by ordering online. That's what he said. Now, they also identified 15 locations to serve as central kitchens. So how does it work? They will purchase online through the Grab application, and all the preparation of food must be in compliance with the regulations set by the Health Ministry. So the implementation is coordinated by the Menteri Besar Incorporated. So this will be a norm, as what he said, for the time being, while we are battling COVID-19 pandemic.
All right,
Alma?
Ruby. Yes. Is it true that the Malaysia's indigenous people fled into the forests to escape the coronavirus?
Oh, there were rumors, but we are trying to get the details of that. There is this group of people, we call them Orang Asli. They actually stayed in remote places here, or what they call kampung, places. But normally NGOs are providing assistance to them. The government is providing assistance to them. We will give you updates on that soon, Alma.
Yes, okay. We'll be very interested on that. Okay, thank you so much, Ruby, for all that updates, and keep it coming. Keep safe, stay healthy. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. From EBC Malaysia Bureau, this is Ruby TINAWIN. We live in interesting times.